Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Kina with SweetGemLife. Today I am going to be doing my daily spreads for the week of Monday, July 12th through Sunday, July 18th. Again, I have my daily duo sheets here from Erin Condren. So, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I typically do a kind of bujo spread using dotted grid paper. Over the last few days, I've been not fully decorating these sheets, but using them to kind of get an idea of whether it's going to work for me. I did pay for them, so why not go ahead and try them out? And they've been very, very, very functional for me over the last week or so. So I said I'm going to go ahead, use this kit, and see if this continues to work for me. So this week I'll be fully using the Daily Duo sheets. I do have this kit from Wonder Stickers Co. It's called the KAL001. So it is a 6-sheet kit. And here is sheet 1 with your date covers and dates, and we've got some flags. We got sheet 2 with some boxes, some glitter headers, and some check boxes. Sheet 3 has some time blocks. They fit here perfectly. We've got a large bottom block. We've got some arrows. Sheet 4 has the bottom block, some more time labels, and we have some icons here on the side. Sheet 5 the same, and sheet 6 has some more bottom box and lots of scripts. So if you're interested in seeing how this turns out, stay tuned. Okay y'all, so this is probably going to be a pretty long video, even sped up. So I'm gonna go ahead, put some music on, and speed through this process. Alright y'all, so I have my daily spreads done for the week of July 12th through the 18th. I'll do one last flip through and I will fill them in at another time. So here's Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, Saturday and Sunday. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of this kit. Are you guys using the Daily Duo? Let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.